Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your job search with LinkedIn, full guide step by step clearly.
Create a LinkedIn account if you don't already have one. Choose a professional and approachable profile photo. Craft a compelling headline that clearly states your current position or career aspirations.
Write a concise summary that highlights your skills, experiences, and career goals. Populate your experience section with detailed descriptions of your past roles and achievements. Include specific metrics and outcomes to demonstrate your impact in previous positions. Add relevant skills to your profile, focusing on those that align with your job targets.
Request and provide endorsements from colleagues or industry professionals. Connect with people in your network, including colleagues, alumni, and industry leaders. Join LinkedIn groups related to your field of interest to expand your network and learn from others. Follow companies that interest you to stay updated on their job postings and news. Turn on job alerts for positions that match your skills and interests. Use the LinkedIn job search feature to find opportunities that suit your profile. Refine your search using filters such as location, industry, and experience level. Tailor your profile to match the job descriptions of positions you are applying for. Reach out to your connections for informational interviews or advice on job openings. Share relevant articles and insights on LinkedIn to demonstrate your expertise in your field. Engage with posts from your network to increase visibility and strengthen connections. Consider publishing long-form posts that showcase your knowledge or insights on industry trends. Utilize the LinkedIn Learning platform to enhance your skills and show your commitment to professional development. Finally, review and update your profile regularly to keep it relevant and engaging. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.